What the problem we're looking to solve when we first hired Warren was the idea of replacing or fixing pipes that were down deep along the beach area, the coastline. Some of these pipes were down 17 feet, 15 feet, 16 feet, and to chase them, to fix them, was going to be very costly. Just stopping the groundwater, lowering the groundwater, dewatering was going to be, in itself, was going to be a costly project. So I was looking for technology that I could go in there and use to line these pipes or to repair these pipes without digging them up.
We were trying to fix a large drain culvert. It was an 84-inch brick culvert that was collapsing. As he was spraying the epoxy on the pipe, it started to rain. And I told Danny before the project started, I said, Danny, if it starts raining, you need to get out of this pipe ASAP because this thing fills up real quick. And all of a sudden it started raining. I'm going, Danny, okay, we got about 20 minutes. And he kept on working. 15 minutes later, that pipe was 3/4 full.
What made me originally choose Warren was the concept of adhesion. I had talked to many folks about a pipe within a pipe. When you have a reconstruction, the structure of that pipe is like it was brand new, to me it made all the sense in the world.
So, my thinking is, geez, I wonder what the product is going to be. It's all going to wash down the line and so forth. It was a wasted day. The next day we went back in, and much to my surprise, the product held up. It was fine. It's actually, twigs sticking into the epoxy, but it was no damage. And today, we've gone back and looked at it, and it's still perfect. That's 25 years later.
As far as comparing what we're doing with Warren to traditional dig and replace, the cost. Matter of fact, it's a sensitive area. I don't know if I could get the permits to do it. And if I did get the permits, it's years and years of getting permits. And then it's social, because as I deep dig, I've got to shut things off. That means I got to dewater. That takes weeks and weeks and weeks. So I'm going to impact people's lives for many, many weeks. To be able to do a project in that one section within a week is unheard of. We're going to minimize the impact to the residents. We're going to put a product on that's going to keep those pipes pristine for years and years and years. And we're going to save a ton of money because I couldn't afford the time and money it would take to dig and replace.
Warren products tend to be very detailed in the preparation of the surface of the pipes, of the manholes and so forth, making sure that you have the right pH, the right abrasion and so forth, so your products actually stick and adhere to the pipe. Whereas in a lot of other companies and products, they don't put that effort into it, so what typically happens is the product fails.
One of the main concerns we have is cost. All right, it's a little bit more than some of the other things that are out there. But when we do our research, for us it's long term. It's not about today. It's not about saving the buck today. It's about preserving the environment for many years to come. So it's not about just today, it's about the future. So his product gives us that assurance that the shellfish, the fish, the pristine beaches, and all the entertainment and excitement we have in the summer will be here for many years to come.